Okay, you've got a great idea. And maybe you've even protected it with a provisional patent application. Maybe you even have a patent. And you've got a great prototype. You might even have inventory because you've been selling it on Amazon. But for whatever reason, you want to stop. And you want to license that product idea that you have. And you want professional people to help you do it. Please watch this video. We have a new program at inventRight. We're going to actually do the work for you. That's right, for you. We have a new program, it's called Gateway, where we're going to help you license your ideas in 90 days. That's right, we're going to help you license your idea in 90 days. Better yet, if we don't have 5 companies that are willing to review your product idea within 30 days, we'll give your money back. So how does this work? We have relationships with companies in every major industry because we've been doing this for over 24 years. We know what they're looking for and we know how to work with those companies. So we're going to take care of that for you. We also know how to create good marketing material so those companies can see your ideas and make good decisions quickly. We know how to do that and we're going to help you do that as well. We also know how to pitch a company the right way so they engage with you and they also want to work with you. We're going to do that too. And when that licensing agreement comes over, we're going to help make sure it's fair and balanced so you get a great licensing agreement with that company. So what are we going to do at Gateway? We're going to do the work for you now. You're hiring professional people to make sure every step is done correctly. Please realize that Gateway, this new program, is not for everyone. You must apply for this program, fill out an application. We will review it and get back to you very quickly to make sure that you and your product is a good fit for this program. A lot of people want the pros to do it, and I know what you mean. You want someone that has experience. You want someone that knows what to say, who to reach out to make sure your marketing material is done correctly, making sure that you protected it the right way. You want someone that can handle all of this for you, and we're going to do this for the first time at inventRight with our new program called Gateway. So if you think this program might be a good fit for you, please reach out to us and we will talk with you to make sure you're the right fit for this new program at inventRight.